Hi guys, welcome to Flavors Without Borders. My name is Precious, this is Simon.
Hi.
And today we're going to take you along with us as we try new cuisine.
Today we're going to be trying Filipino flavors. So that's going to be exciting because, you know, there's a long history of Filipino food in Montreal. It's Cuisine de Manille.
That is food of Manila. Yeah. So guys, come along with us as we try this new food, okay? How do you feel about the place? I think the place is really cute. Like I like this wall. There's this wall of like pictures, and I like one of the things like the newspaper. Who needs a menu? Us. Just menu here. But like who needs a menu? Yeah.
It actually looks like a Filipino diner if you think about it. So it's really authentic and nice and a bit strange in a way, but super good.
But honestly, like I feel like this neighborhood is for Filipino people because like this is the cuisine of Manila. Then we passed Salon of Manila.
No, actually, like if you look around, like people who come here like from Philippines, that's quite phenomenal. So yeah, the food should be good.
No, I'm excited.
You know what they say? If you go Filipino food, you never come back.
Hopefully we can come back for like any more content. But it looks so good here.
It does.
I don't know if the crispy stuff is on the rice, but that's good. Like different textures. That's good. Oh, yeah. I did get garlic rice. Yeah. I like the box. Like in case I don't finish, I just like.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Just go with it.
Yeah. That's good.
Look at that. You're just like when they are the whole thing. Just go for it.
So this is classic pork. They did it again. It's so good. It's like crispy, but it's in like a sauce. So good. If you're chilly.
So this looks interesting. Doesn't smell like much though, but I feel like the taste is good. It's like it's a nice beef stew. It's pork shoulder, so it's really like soft and tender. And you know, I enjoy the sauce as well because it's interesting take on it. Like there's some spice, but you don't feel it that much. crazy full. Are you?
Yeah, the food is so good.
Actually. So we're back for the ratings. And we have a variety, ambience, presentation, taste, service, and value for money. And would you like to start with variety?
No, the food was so good, first of all. In terms of variety, I feel like there's so many stuff we could order from. So for me, variety, I give it a 5.
Yeah, me as well. Me as
Okay.
well. That's a solid 5. Then for ambience, I got 4 because you know it's nice. It's a cozy place. I wouldn't go too far with saying it was like very beautiful, but I enjoyed it much. It's comfort food with comfort surroundings as well. So I got 4.
Yeah.
What about you?
I think still 4. It's a casual place. It's a casual spot. Lunch, casual dinners.
So for presentation, I got 3 because it wasn't that fancy. It's the food was good. Presentation could be better. That's my thing. What about you?
For me, I'd give it a bit higher just because like I like to go boxes that like whatever happens, I can just like pick it up and go because it's a casual spot. So I give it 4.
Okay, all right. And then we have also taste. So for me, taste was 4. I was missing a bit of soul here and there, but overall, see, it was good. Enjoyed it much. What about you?
So for me, taste 5 out of 5. I would 100% recommend pork, classic adobo with rice and garlic rice and coleslaw. 5.
Don't forget garlic.
Yeah, garlic rice.
That's good.
Don't get it twisted.
Right. So then we come for service. Service was actually nice. Like, for the place like this where it's a takeout thing, casual stuff, like it doesn't need to be too fancy. And then, they were bringing food to us. They were nice and, just friendly people. So, yeah, so it's 5. 5 for me.
It's 5 for me, but also for different reasons. I just like the fact that it was fast. Like we got our food
Exactly.
a few minutes after we ordered. We ate, had no one, there wasn't a lot of movement. So I liked it. 5, definitely.
All right. And then value for money is definitely 5. That's pretty cheap actually, like in Montreal standards. So, and there was a lot of food as well. So I would say it's 5. Totally.
Yeah. Value for money, 5 for me, just because I couldn't finish my food. It was really good. So the fact that it was really good and I couldn't finish it, value for money is great. You get a good portion of food, and for cheap, as he said.
Exactly. So in overalls comes down to 4.4.
Yeah, we can put the score here. The overall score is. There you go. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining us this time. Please like and subscribe and comment on our content and see you guys next time. Woo!